the bearish power of three from the daily open. You can see off from the daily open, price had an open, then our high we traded above, sweeping all-time highs, and then you can see we start trading lower. Once you see that, you should probably be bearish. I'll be more bearish on the day. I wasn't on the charts. I didn't trade today because it was Veterans Day. Just back testing price. We had this 15-minute formed at the 9:30 open, which at the 10 a.m. open, which wouldn't be a bad short if you can get a short at 10 a.m. Let's see if what happened at 10 a.m. Let's go to a lower time frame. This is the only trend I can really see. So 10 a.m. Yeah, you can see right here at 10 a.m. Price traded back into that 5-minute, and then off that 5-minute or 15-minute, sorry. See confluence at entry confluence. All right, yeah. So we traded back into that 15-minute, and you see us displacing move down. You probably go short off of this inversion, like this fair value gap or this inversion right here. So go short somewhere in here, pre stop loss at the high, and just target probably. I'll probably target this low or this low, but that's the only trade. It wasn't the cleanest delivery. Price took sell side, tapped it to 400 trade to the 15-minute gap. Yeah, so right, you're talking about this right here. Price took sell side, trade into this 4-hour gap to support price higher. I can see where you took that trade, why you took that trade, but this would be overall be against my confluences because this is an overall bearish day. So even if you took a long off that sweep into that 4-hour, I wouldn't target anything too crazy. Probably like somewhere in here or this high because the overall day it looks bearish. Damn, that's a nice setup, bro. So going into tomorrow, let me look at ES. Yeah, ES, holy shit. ES is well above all-time highs. We have this big daily imbalance here. There's no news tomorrow, but that's fine. Let me delete this shit. We have no news tomorrow, but it's all right because it's Tuesday. So coming into tomorrow, what I'm expecting is price. I want to see a bearish day tomorrow. Sweep out this previous day low. Maybe get a sweep out previous day low. Maybe trade until this daily imbalance. See how to react off previous day low to determine whether we trade into this daily balance or not. If we see price wick off this daily low, start trading higher, then we could expect higher Tuesday. But the draw liquidity for tomorrow will be Tuesday, and we have to see how price trades off that daily low to target this daily SIBI. If price continues to trade below this daily low, then we would target this daily SIBI, or sorry, busy, this daily buy side for value gap to support price higher, because that was my weekly outlook, was for price to pretty much accumulate at the start of the week. We saw accumulation day Monday. Tuesday, put in the low of the week, whether to take our previous day low or into this daily for value gap for us to come higher. Setting up for a weekly power of three as well, a bullish power of three. Do you observe some red orange flow news? Typically, orange flow news doesn't really do anything. It does add market volatility, but CPI, and PPI, and unemployment claims are, I would say, just more important. I don't really look at orange folder. It's not that important. It doesn't really affect the market too crazy. Both got filled. My draw open was previously low than the fork rate. That's all. That's a good draw. If I come into today, that should have been your draw. But I wouldn't have. If you took a trade today, I wouldn't have targeted like well over 200 ticks because of the profile of today. Why is my shit frozen? Am I frozen? Just because the profile day is a Monday, no news on Veterans Day, so the market volatility is not going to be. It's not going to be. There's not going to be much market volatility. This is the only good, like decent trade I see is off that 15-minute. We see a bearish power through in the daily time frame. Form a 15-minute sell model, go short within there, target this low, also align with the 4-hour, and then you could have probably scalped a long off of that. If you went long, I wouldn't have targeted this high or anything up here. Most I would have targeted probably would be 50% of the daily range. So if I went long, most I would have targeted was constant encroaching the daily range. So I would have TP'd out here, and you can see once price traded into 50% of the daily range, it just got really rangy. I'm gonna fill you. Both got filled. This is my setup. Yeah, it's a fire setup. But I will be live tomorrow morning for market open. 5 people in class is kind of crazy, yeah. Low-key, it's mad late though. I just got back from the gym, bro. Today's been so busy for me, bro. I did so much today. But I will be live tomorrow morning. What did you do today? This morning I woke up. Okay, so I had a long day yesterday, so I woke up pretty late today. Then when I woke up today, I had to go to grocery shopping, and then after that, I went to my friend's house, or I went to my friend's frat house, because he was showing me his frat and shit. So I went to my friends, and I met all his friends and shit, and I was just like talking to them. And then after that, I did some studying, some homework, and then I went to the gym. Are you in a frat? No, I'm not in a frat. Thanks, dude. See you tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow morning, bro. If you did trade today, this would be a great day to de-risk and forward test your model, right? I wouldn't like come in today trying to make a lot of money, because today's Monday, no news. It's a Veterans Day too. It's a bank holiday. Typically, people don't trade bank holidays. Volume was very slow too. Even though like I wouldn't say PA was horrible. Like we had price delivery today. You can see it just wasn't the cleanest price delivery. Price didn't it didn't fill you and then expand. It would just range all day. That's solid, bro. So when you forward test, just de-risk. Be smart about it. Like, don't blow accounts today, bro. I use paper, so. That's it, because I'm a retard. I see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow morning, bro. If anyone took any trades, you can send it here. All right, I'm gonna look at this guy's trade. Fair value to my gap. What time frame? The 1 minute time frame. So we tapped that 4 hours, swept out that low right here, tapped that 4 hour. He went long. Where did he go long? 1 minute fair value gap. What time was this? 7:20 a.m. No, okay, so different time zone. Trying to figure it out where this guy went long. Dude, I don't know where you... Oh, it was this. No. I don't know what trade he took. Not this. But yeah, I would be careful. I would be careful longing here as well. Even though I did tap that 4 hour, even if I did take a long, it would be like a scalp, because you can see prices delivering short. Before I would long, I would wait for this 5 minutes to get inverse. Once he says 5 minutes get inverse, then I'd be looking more for longs off that 4 hour, and I would only target, like I said, consequent encroachment of the day. I still am bearish, right? As manipulation, I'm not overall bearish on this market. Or obviously, this market's overall bullish, but like on the daily time frame, on the weekly profile, we want to see some form of power 3 to shape this week. So we want to see some form of accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So we want to see previous day low get swept or this daily imbalance get tapped. It depends. I'll play off both, honestly. Yeah, that's a good trade. Tap the 3 minute. Dude, Bitcoin is pumping. If you guys are looking at that, Bitcoin is ripping right now. Anyways, I'll see you tomorrow morning. I'm gonna get more active in here. I've been hella busy, but bro, when these finals come to an end, like it's end of the fall, so I have finals coming up. But when this shit comes to the end, like towards Christmas break, like in November, I'm trying to make more content, bro. Like I haven't been posting on Instagram as well. I haven't been, but typically I don't trade today. I wasn't even on the charts today. Bro, JetBlue's account today. That's like his fault. $176. That's solid. That's solid. You targeted. Yeah, UK. So I see what you targeted. You targeted that 15-minute for value gap. Okay, so this short was before price traded into that 15-minute. This short was over here. Interesting. I wouldn't. Okay. I mean. Sorry. That long. You longed over here. This is where you went long. That long, honestly, I wouldn't have taken that long. Why? Because, right, overall price is delivering more bearish. I would have waited for price to come into this 15-minute for shorts. Yeah, you can see once we trade into that 15-minute, price started delivering lower. I was overall bearish, but I wanted this confidence that bearish gap get filled. Yeah, I mean, it's still though, like, you don't know if you, like, right here, this, like, an inversion like this is not enough confluence, or like, for example, this is not enough confluence to go long to target a imbalance when price is delivering bearish. Because sometimes, especially like when we see like huge expansion days, price just keeps going, won't even fill imbalance. Like, so this definitely could have happened. Like, it just could have kept going. So this is definitely a riskier setup. The safer, more cleaner setup, or like something that would follow like a model, would be waiting for a short into this 15, like waiting for a short off this 15-minute. And then the cleaner long would have been the sweep of this low into that higher time frame 4 hour, and then a long over here. But I can see why you went long here, but I wouldn't have never longed this. What time was it short? Okay, 10:40 a.m. So this, you would enter at 10:55. So this is the 11 a.m. macro, which is a fine time to go short. Fine time to enter trades. All right, I'm gonna end the call here.